Hello, great minds. You're all welcome to my YouTube channel, World Digital Skilling Oneself. It's a channel where we upload premium digital skills, marketing skills, a lot of important and vital information pertaining to American lottery, and many topics on the evolution of computing in the world. So today I want to drill you on how to create a pool like this. So a poll permits you to have answers from people. It's a questionnaire that you place to your audience and you permit them to give their response. Maybe you might have given answers and you want them to select the answers, and you can as well use it to vote. You can have a meeting and you have ideas and you want people to choose without necessarily quarreling. Yes, so for example, this is a poll that I just created in one of my forums, because I have forums where people join so that they can always have updated information about what we do, about digital skills, marketing skills that I always upload. I always send it here for them to go through. So I'm going to as well place a link into all of my forums so that you can join as well and get impacted positively. So for example, I was talking to my audience in one of my forums. I have many forums. You can see I have a lot of forums with a lot of followers here. You can see World Digital WhatsApp forums. So you can as well join to gain 1K status view so that you can utilize these views to make sales and a lot more. So I will get back into one of my forum where I came up with a poll. So the question reads: greetings dear ambassadors of World Digital. We wish to know if you are gaining values from the skills we shared in this forum. Please like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So you as well, going through this video, I will encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, keep a comment and share as well. So these are the various questions, and now these are the various answers. Yes, I am gaining huge values. No, I have suggestions to give. So you can choose. So it's either you choose. You can choose. We have various settings that we can set for someone to choose just one answer, or you see, for example, here you can choose just one answer, but we have scenarios where you can choose the 3 different answers. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to come up with a poll like this. Are you ready? So if you are ready, please, I would like you to like this tutorial, keep a comment and share. So the app that we are going to utilize for this is WhatsApp. So with WhatsApp you can create polls. So I'm going to choose one of the forums. Let me see. Let me use my masterclass forum. Okay, yeah, already there was a poll already. 2 people voted already. So I'm going to create a new poll. So this is what you do. You click on this attach pin here, and now we have these various options here. We have a document here. Yes, I'm not going to use document. I go back, I click on this attach pin here. We have document, we have camera, we have gallery, we have audio, we have catalog, we have quickly reply, we have location, we have contact, we have poll, and we have event. And in most of my previous tutorials, I've elaborated on some of these important icons. Yeah, like this document, like this first one, document. This is how you have to send documents. If you want to send your pictures, your videos, your audio, so that it maintains its quality, you need to click here like this, and you attach the document or the media and send that in, and send. It will maintain its quality. But in this tutorial of today, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a poll. So you click on create poll here. You click on create poll. You ask your question. Okay, for example, I'll say, hello, are you enjoying my tutorials? on YouTube? Are we together? So follow keenly. Hello, are you enjoying my tutorials on YouTube? That's the question. And now various answers. I can say yes, yeah. I say no, and yeah. Give me some suggestions. Let me say give suggestions. Say give suggestions. And now yeah, at this button here, this ratio button down here, you see it's already on. It shows that somebody can select more than 2-3 answers. But if you off it, it means your audience can only select one answer. So at this level, when you are through in setting the question and placing your response, you click here on this arrow here, you click on it. So this is our poll already that has been created. You see, we can see, hello, are you enjoying my tutorials on YouTube? And now we have 3 answers: yes, no, give suggestions. Okay, if you notice very well, you see a tick here, select one. So it means that I can only select one response. So if I don't want to select yes, I click on no. You see, obviously only no is selected, so you can only choose one response. So I'm going to create again a different poll where you can select all the answers. So I'll go back to poll, I click on this attach pin, I click to poll. Okay, do you love the way I do my tutorials? Do you love the way I do my tutorials? Question. Yeah, I place an answer. Yes, no, and now improve, for example. And I would like you to give me your answers. Do you like the way I do my tutorials? So now these are the various answers that have been given: yes, no, improve. So now here at this level here of this radio button, I will not off it, I will allow it on. So this will give us a possibility for you to choose 3 answers. So you watching this tutorial, please, I would like you to tell me if you enjoy the way I do my tutorials. And don't forget to like, keep your comments, and share this premium tutorial. So after I have set the questions and I allow this radio button on, I click this arrow here. So see, in this other part here, I can select yes, no, improve. So you see, so this possibility gives the audience to select all the response. But above, you see, you can only select one answer. So don't forget to like, keep a comment, and share this tutorial. We are in a digital world, and if now you are being called an illiterate, it means that you are a digital illiterate, not illiterate because you have not gone to school. So we are in a world that technology is advancing, so you need to meet up. So that's why I have these forums here. I'll place the link in the descriptive part of this tutorial where you can join and you will always get updates from us. And don't forget as well to turn the notification bell of this our YouTube channel so that you always receive our update. And I want to thank everyone that has been liking, sharing my tutorials. So in the next tutorial, I will be calling some of the names and thanking them. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to share.